Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can rename this PC. So if when you're first time using Windows 11, you'll be asked to your name to become your PC name. But if you leave it default, you can try to change it. So all you have to do now, you can try to click start icon and click on settings. Here in the home, you can try to rename. You can click rename option at the top of your screen, and here you can use combination of letter, hyphens and numbers in order to rename your PC. So you can click next and follow another instruction. And also if you click on system, you can try to rename it in about option. You can click about, and here you can click rename this PC. So feel free to try to rename your PC or your laptop. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.